Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Kumar and welcome you to all class 10th mathematics ICSC board. Students, in the previous classes we have already discussed exercise 22a and all the trigonometric ratio, square relation, quotient relations and all the related topics. So those students who still not watched that video, so firstly watch those videos and then come to this class. Okay, so in this class I will discuss this elimination of trigonometric ratio. Okay, elimination of trigonometric ratio. So we know that how many types of trigonometric ratio? There is 6 trigonometric ratio: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. These all are the trigonometric ratio. So the topic is elimination of trigonometric ratio. So in the question we try to eliminate this trigonometric ratio. Okay, so we always try to eliminate this trigonometric ratio by using the relations which we have already learned in the previous classes. Okay, so basically we focused on the square relation. Basically we focused on the square relation to eliminate this trigonometric ratio. Okay, we use or we focus mainly on a square relation. There is 3 square relation. First one is sine square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. Second one is sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. And third one is cosec square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. Okay, we focus basically on this 3 relation. By using this 3 relation we can easily eliminate the trigonometric ratio. Okay, so whenever you get the question, try to those question converted into this form. Either sine square cos square, sec square tan square, cosec square cot square, whatever the trigonometric ratio is there. Okay, so we easily learn this topic through a example. So first example, I'll take first example here. Question number 1 is x is equals to, if x is equals to a sin theta plus b cos theta and y is equals to a cos theta minus b sin theta. Okay, this is the given relation and prove that x square plus y square is equals to a square plus b square. Okay, we have to prove this one. So this is the question. So whenever I get the question, I will try to convert this relation. Here this is sine and cos. So here this is sine and cos. So I try to convert this relation into this form. Okay, try to convert this relation into this square relation form. Sine square plus cos square is equals to 1. Or if in the question it is given that prove that, so we always proceed the question by using this way. Okay, by using this relation. So here this is x square plus y square. So when this x square will come when I take a square both side in this relation and when I take both a square both side on this relation, so we can easily get x square and y square. After getting x square and y square, we add this to 1 and then get this value. Okay, so proceed this. Firstly, a square, taking a square both side, so this one is x square and a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square, and the second one is x square is equals to a cos theta minus b sin theta whole square is equal to x square is equal to a sin theta. So this, if I take this one as x and this one as y, so x plus y whole square is x square a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2xy 2ab sin theta into cos theta. This is the first one. And if I take a minus b whole square formula, so here this is a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Now after getting this relation, we add this to one. Okay, so I add this two. So here in left hand side, this is x square plus y square, which is given here, x square plus y square. Now I have to try this whole expression to convert into this a square plus b square. So here look, this is a square sin square theta and this is a square cos square theta. If I take common a square here, so the remaining portion is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now in the second portion, if I take common b square, so here this is cos square theta plus sin square theta, and this is plus 2ab and this is minus 2ab, so I cancel both these. Now look here, this is x square plus y square is equals to a square. This is sin square plus cos square theta. I use this square relation, so in place of this is equal to 1 and this is also equal to 1. So I simply write a square and here I write b square. So this is the relation which we have to prove. Okay, so this is the proving of this. Here in the given proving, there is no trigonometrical ratio like sine, cos, tan, all are different from these ratios, which is basically x square, y square, a square, b square, simply a variable. Okay, so all question, whenever you get any of the question, you always try to convert those question in this form. Here this is sine square, here this is sine and cos, so I try to convert this sine and cos into this relation. So whenever I get the question in terms of sec and tan, I try to convert those sec and tan into this sec square and tan square. Or simply you can remember this, if you have, whenever you get sine and cos, simply you square the relation and add the relation. Whenever you get sec and tan, simply square the relation and taking the difference of those equations. And whenever you get cosec and cot, you simply square the relation and subtract both the relation. You will easily find the elimination method. You can easily find the elimination trigonometric ratio. Okay, so this is the example number 1. Now come to question number 2. Now come to question number 2, and question number 2 is eliminate theta between the following equation. Q tan theta plus P sec theta is equal to x and P tan theta plus Q sec theta is equal to y. We have to eliminate. In the question it is said eliminate theta between the following equation. Here nothing is given to prove, only simply say that eliminate theta. So here this is sec and this is tan, simply we square both the relation and then subtract both the equation. Okay, so firstly I take a square, taking a square both the side in both equation. So after taking a square, if I get a square here and this is a square, and if this is a square and this is a square, so this is a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. Okay, both the term is plus. Okay, so here this is a square, so this is q square tan square theta plus p square sec square theta plus 2ab 2pq tan theta and sec theta is equal to x square. Now in second equation, here it is p square tan square theta plus q square sec square theta. Okay, and the last one is 2pq tan theta into sec theta, which is equal to y square. Now what we do further, we subtract both the equations, because here this is sec square minus tan square, so I subtract both the equation. So if I subtract here, so this sign changes into minus, this plus is also changes into minus, and this is also changes into minus, and this one is also minus. So here this 2pq tan theta, it is simply cancel out. Here in right hand side is x square minus y square. Now come to right hand side. Here this is q square tan square theta and q square sec square theta. So simply I take common here q square, and this is tan square theta minus this is sec square theta. Okay, why I take common q square? Because we have to convert this equation into this square relation. Now again, if I take common p square from both these equations, so I write here sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now this value is 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. If I get common, if I take common from both this equation, so if I take common minus, so this minus become plus and this plus become minus. So I write here minus q square. This is sec square theta minus tan square theta plus p square sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to x square minus y square. Now this is minus q square. This whole term is 1 and this whole term is 1. So plus p square is equal to x square minus y square, or we can say that x square minus y square is equal to p square minus q square. So this is the relation. In this we completely eliminate the theta from this expression. Okay, so this is the procedure to eliminate the trigonometric ratio. This is the question number 2. Now the next question is, next one is very important. If cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, prove that cos theta minus sin theta is equals to root 2 sin theta. We have to prove this one. Okay, so here it is cos theta and sin theta. I try to convert this relation into this square relation. So what is the procedure? Firstly take a square, taking a square both the sides. So if I taking a square in this relation, so I simply write here cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equals to 2 cos square theta. So this is cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta into sin theta is equals to 2 cos square theta. Now what I do further? Cos square, this is cos square theta, this is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 2. Now here if I bring this cos square theta from left hand side to right hand side, what I write here, 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to this 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta is equals to cos square theta, and this is minus sin square theta. Okay, I simply bring both this into the right hand side. So this is cos square theta and this become minus sin square theta. Now this is cos square theta sin square theta minus, so I take it at a minus b and a plus b. So I write here cos theta plus sin theta and cos theta minus sin theta, and this is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now in place of this cos theta plus sin theta, I write this root 2 cos theta which is given. So this is 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to cos theta minus sin theta into, in place of this I write this root 2 cos theta. So if I bring this right hand side from left hand side, so this is the symbol which change into division. So I write here 2 sin theta into cos theta divided upon root 2 cos theta is equals to cos theta minus sin theta. So this root 2 cancel here, root 2 remaining, and this cos theta cancel. So this becomes equal to root 2 sin theta, which we have to prove. Okay. This is cos theta minus sin theta, root 2 sin theta. This cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Okay, this is the proving. Now this is all about the elimination of trigonometric ratio. Quickly now come to the exercise problem. Exercise 22b. Exercise 22b. There is a very easy question in the exercise. Very easy question in the exercise. Which exercise? 22b exercise. First question is eliminate theta between the given equation. First one is x is equals to a cosec theta and y is equals to b cot theta. So this is cos theta and this is cosec theta and this is cot theta. Which relation I used there? This is cosec square minus cot square theta. So I try to convert this into this relation. Okay, so simply I taking a square firstly. So how I take a square? Firstly the coefficient of cosec theta is a. So simply I make this coefficient to 1. So I take a to the bring a to the left hand side. So I write here x by a is equals to cosec theta and this y by b is equals to cot theta. Okay, now how I get this relation? We just taking a square both of the x by a square is equals to cosec square theta, this is 1, and y by b whole square is equals to cot square theta, this is 2. So we simply subtract both the one, subtract both equation. So this is x by a whole square minus y by b whole square is equals to cosec square theta minus cot square theta, and this cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So this is x by a whole square minus y by b whole square is equals to 1. This is the final answer. Okay, here I completely eliminate the theta and the final expression is x by a whole square minus y by b whole square is equals to 1. Now come to the next question. Next question. Question number 2 is very similar. X is equals to a cot theta plus b cosec theta. Simply we taking a square in both the equation and subtract those equations. We easily eliminate the relation. Easily eliminate the trigonometric ratio. Now question number 3 is a sec cube theta x is equals to a sec cube theta and y is equals to b tan cube theta. So how we proceed this one? So here this is sec and this is tan. So I try to convert those relation into this square relation. So firstly we have to eliminate this cube and this cube from this trigonometric ratio. Firstly we make this coefficient of sec and coefficient of tan to 1. Okay, so I write here this is x by a is equals to sec cube theta, and here y by b is equals to tan cube theta. Now if I taking a cube root, or if we eliminate this cube here, so simply this, when this cube goes to this other side, so this cube converted into a cubic root. Okay, so I write here x by a to the power 1 by 3 is equals to sec theta, and y by b to the power 1 by 3 is equals to tan theta. Now this is sec theta and this is tan theta. We're taking a square in both the equation, so this is x by a 1 by 3 whole square is equals to this is sec square theta, and now here y by b 1 by 3 whole square is equals to tan square theta. So simply we subtract both the equations. So if I subtract this equation x by a, this is 2 by 3 minus y by b, this is 2 by 3. I subtract both this. Now this is sec square theta minus tan square theta. We simply subtract both these equations. So I get this value, and sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So final is x by a 2 by 3 minus y by b 2 by 3 is equal to 1. This is the final relation. Okay. This is question number 3. Question number 4 is also very simple. It is like what I solve you here. What I solve here in question number 1, example number 1 is similar like that question. Okay. Question number 5 is hint is given. So cos theta and sin theta I write here. So simply I convert this cos theta into this relation, a square relation. So this is question number 5. Now come to question number 6. Here it is the question m square plus n square cos square b is equals to n square. We have to prove that. Here what we do, firstly taking m square then n square, we add both this and then multiply by cos square b. We easily get this one. Okay, so this, if I taking a square, so m square is equals to cos square a divided by cos square b, and if I take n square, so this is cos square a upon sin square b. Now add both one, m square plus n square, so this is cos square a upon cos square b plus cos square a by sin square b. Now multiply this with this. Firstly we have to take common this cos square a. So if I take cos square a common, so here this is cos square b plus this is 1 by sin square b. Now we have to multiply this cos square b to this. So this is m square plus n square into cos square b is equal to, multiply cos square a. If I multiply this, so this is cos square b upon cos square b plus cos square b upon sin square b. Now this is cos square a, this is 1 plus this cos by sin is cot square b. Okay, now this 1 plus cot square b is what? 1 plus cot square, 1 plus cot square b is tan square b, sorry, cosec square b. 1 plus cot square b is cosec square b. Now after that cos square b into here cos square a is the remaining portion. So this cosec square b, can I write this cosec square b is 1 upon sin square b, and this cos square a is a cos square a. So this will become cos square a upon sin square b. which is equal to cos square A upon sin square B is equal to n square. So I simply write here n square, which is equal to RHS, and this is the proving of this relation. Okay, here this is the relation which is we have to prove, and this is we get. Okay, so this is the question number 6, and question number 7 is again very easy. You only in the question it is given x is equals to a sec a, then sec a is equals to x by a, y is equals to b sec b sin b, so y by b is equals to sec a into sin b, and z is equals to c tan a, so I simply write z by c is equals to tan a, and by getting this we simply put this value in the given, proving that, so you can easily get that value. Okay, so this is all about the elimination of trigonometric ratio, and we also solve this exercise. So if you have any confusion regarding this question, you simply put the put your comment as a doubt in the comment box. I will try to solve those your doubts. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.